Hello everybody, it's Paul Hooper here, and I just wanted to make this quick video to show you how you can make very easy and quick and professional looking squeeze pages using a resource called Instant Squeeze Page Generator. Now this is a free resource. When you sign up to it you will see different upsells and cross sales and everything, but you don't need to take those in order to be able to create these squeeze pages. Okay, so I'm just going to log into my account here. I've also provided you a link so you can sign up here as well. Okay, this is the main page here. So to create the squeeze page, basically all you do is you follow 8 very simple steps. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down. You'll see this link here, create a new squeeze page. So I'll just click on that. Now you'll come to the first step, and what you're seeing here is all the different templates that you can use. So you can choose any one of these. Okay, there's lots of different ones here. So you've got lots of choice. Okay. I think I'm going to use, I like this one. I like to use this one quite a bit. I use a few of them, but this one I always do like. So you just check that off and you scroll down to the bottom and click on continue to step 2. Next it's going to ask you if you want a background. I personally don't usually use a background, and again it's entirely up to you, but I'll just click don't use a background. If you wanted to choose one, obviously you just check mark whichever background you wanted to use. So continue to step 3. Now by default what this does, this squeeze page, it puts in a free offer, and you can choose any one of these, but I'm sure for a giveaway you're probably going to have your own gift to use, so you can't actually take this option out, but we can replace this image later on using an HTML web editor, so we'll do that later on. So for now I'm just going to leave this checked. It will appear on the squeeze page at first, but I will change it out later on. So continue to step 4. So now I want to write in a headline which we're going to appear on the squeeze page, so I'll just put welcome giveaway members, and I'll just change the size. I think I'll put up to 30, and I'll change the color. I think I'll make it a nice bright color that stands out. So I think I'll choose a nice red, and I'll bold that, and that's it for this step. Continue to step 5. And step 5 is where you add some text. It has some text here. You want to delete this and add your own text, and basically this is where you want to tell the person who's on the squeeze page what they need to do. Please enter your name and email address into the form to receive your free gift. Okay, so I just want to make that a little bit bigger, so I'll just highlight it and get a size here. I think I'll put that medium. Okay, so we need to do here. Continue to step 6. Now this is where you need to paste the code that you got from your autoresponder service for your opt-in form for this particular list. So what I do is whenever I create a new list in my autoresponder, I always save the code into a notepad file here so I can access it whenever I need to. So I'm just going to copy that, highlight it all, then Control C, delete this here, and Control V to paste the code in. Okay, so that's the code now from the opt-in form. And continue to step 7. Just going to write the page details here, so I'll just write giveaway members, change the details down here, update it 2009. I usually just put my blog URL in here. Okay, that's all we need for this one. Okay, we're now on the final page. This is step 8. So you'll see it's created all of this code here. This is all the HTML code you need for the entire squeeze page. Okay, so what you're going to do is click inside here and press Control A. That will highlight it all. Then Control C. That's copying it all. And now you need to open an HTML editor and one I use is a free one called Composer. Okay, so this is what Composer looks like when it's opened up. Now you'll see down the bottom here you have 4 tabs: Normal, HTML tags, Source, and Preview. We need to paste this code in to the source. So we click on Source and you'll see some HTML code here. What we're going to do is press Control V, and what that's done, that's pasted all the code for the squeeze page that we just copied from Instant Squeeze Page Generator. Okay, come back down the bottom and click on Normal. There you will see our squeeze page. Okay, so there's our opt-in form, there's the text that we wrote, and here, like I said, this is the default image that you can't change it out while you're actually creating it in Instant Squeeze Page Generator, but now we're going to change it out. Okay, this is where it gets a little bit fiddly, but it's not that difficult. So what we need to do is click back on the source, and we need to find the actual URL. Now this is what it will look like here. This is actually on line 47 in Composer, but this is going to vary depending on the template that you chose. Okay, so here it says http://instantsqueezepagegenerator.com SP templates products and LFM book mid. This is what you want to change out. Okay, now obviously when you create a new list and you want to upload your things using FileZilla, you would have created a new directory for the giveaway event or whatever it is you're using it for. So this is the directory here. I'm just going to copy that. So basically you've got my main domain, which is paulhoover.com, and this Internet Marketers 3. This is the directory I've created in FileZilla for this particular giveaway event. So I'm going to highlight all of this, then delete, and now I'm just going to press Control V to paste that in there. Now what we need to do is get the image of the particular product that we're going to upload. So it's actually called here, it's a JPEG, it's called box underscore cover. So I put / box underscore cover. Okay, that's it. So I've already uploaded that into that directory. So if we come back on here, it might just take a minute to find it. And there it is. Okay, so that's the actual image for the product that I'll be giving away. Now you can resize, you can just click on this and make it a bit smaller if it doesn't fit well. Okay, so you can see my URL down the bottom there. So that basically is the squeeze page created in a very few simple steps. Okay, you can click on the preview down here to see what it would actually look like. See, it looks quite neat and tiny, quite professional looking, and that's it. What you then do is File, Save As. I always call the squeeze page index, and choose your location. So I'll save it into here. Make sure it says HTML files. If it says XHTML files, which it may do, then you just need to click this thing here and click on all files. Okay, but as it says HTML files, that's okay. So I'll just click save, and actually I'll just put index 1 because it's going to override another one. Click save, and that's it, all done. Okay, so it's a very simple process. It takes a few minutes. Just follow the 8 very simple steps in Instant Squeeze Page Generator, and again it's free to sign up to. I've included a link in this blog post here, so you can sign up now and start creating your professional looking squeeze pages. Okay, hope this was a help to you.